Hello. So far in our test chapter, we've treated bold, italic, underline, and we've also done headings and paragraphs. We are beginning to actually put content on our web page. So we are going to continue doing some basic formatting like subscripting and then superscripting. So let's go into our text editor again. Using the same text, we are going to format this. Now, assuming you want to write a date or you want to write a position of something, and then you want to write fit, I'll write 5 and I'll write what? TH, and I'm expecting it to appear this way, 5 with the TH on top. I'm expecting it to be on top. Now this is a what? A superscript. If you are writing, let's say, a chemical symbol, let's say CO2 or H2O for water, to make the 2 appear below the normal text line is what we call subscript. Like this, like to write H2 and O. You have to make these 2 come what? Below the normal text line. If you let it come below the normal text line, it is called what? A subscript. If you let this goes above the normal text line, it's called what? A superscript. So how do we do it in HTML? Just like in MS Word. In MS Word, it's just a simple tool you are going to use. So you just highlight or you select this. After selecting this, what you have to do is to come to this particular tool, which is what? Superscript. You just click on it. It goes below the normal text line. That is what we are going to do in what? In HTML, in order to display these things on the web page. So next time you see those things on the web page, you are supposed to what? Credit the web designer, because it's one easy thing. It's a lot of code, man. So I want to raise this TH above the normal text line. Superscript has a tag name of SUP. I type TH. The moment I type TH will be raised above the normal text line on 5. Let me also do a subscript. Let's say I want to write carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is CO2. Let's say at the end. So I do CO, but I want the 2 to come below the normal text line. What do I do? Superscript is SUP, subscript is SUB. So I just have to open SUB tag. That's the what? The subscript tag. The auto completion works for me, and I type what? 2. What do I do now? I'm saving my file. Let's go and refresh our browser to see if the changes have taken place. You see this? Now I've raised it above the normal text line, and this one has gone below the normal text line. Assuming I do not bring these tags before them, and I just write the TH here, this particular TH will not go above the normal text line, and these 2 will not come below the normal text line. Why? Because the browser wouldn't know my intention of writing CO2. The browser wouldn't know I'm writing carbon dioxide. The browser wouldn't know I'm writing a position, which is what? Fit. The browser will take it as if it's a normal text. So let me save this without bringing it below and above normal text line. Let me just refresh my browser. What you see is fit 5th on the same line. None of them is above the text line. The chemical representation of what? Carbon dioxide, CO2. So if you want any of them to appear below the normal text line, what you have to do is to indicate to the browser that I want this particular 2 to appear below the normal text line, just as we did at first by writing what? The subscript and the superscript. Let me undo. So when I save it and then I go to my browser, it is able to what? Interpret my code properly. Okay, here indicating a superscript, here indicating a subscript. We are going to do more in the next video. We are going to explain white space, horizontal line, line break in next lesson, all under the chapter text. So see you.